Hi, I'm Pamela, and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about starting a business with Traffic Authority. They're offering their reseller's license right now for $47 a month, and that does include a traffic optimizer. I will go over what that is with you. Let's go ahead and get into the back office and take a look around. This is Traffic Authority. They have right here a system setup where you watch the videos and follow the steps to set up your system for your business. They have a business plan set for you. There's a business center. There's a full training center and a resource center. They give you everything that you could possibly need to run a business. When you get your leads, they will automatically send out emails for you, and you can also send additional emails for any other offer that you would want to. So right here in System Setup, tell you how it works. They go over the Traffic Authority certification course, so you will be certified to sell Traffic Authority traffic. Now, you're not sending out emails and getting clicks for people. What you're doing is having people sign up to get a reseller's license so that they can do what you're doing, which is selling traffic. Because you will be able to get a reseller's license and sell traffic packages. But Traffic Authority takes care of all that. Solo emails and getting your clicks and all of that stuff. You don't have to do any of that. In the business plan section, you create your game plan, and they have a download right here to help you with that. And they walk you through it step by step. You go through the Accelerate Your Success program, where you yourself can buy traffic to the web pages that they provide for you and capture pages. And then you will go through a launch your business. They have a marketing. You download your marketing plan, set up your marketing links, and those are going to be the business center. Sorry, my computer is being retarded. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, that's the business center. And here it shows you all the different traffic packages that you can sell, along with Traffic Academy and the Traffic Optimizer, which comes with the reseller license. You do get bonus bucks when you sign up, and you can use those to help with your traffic package purchases. The Resource Center, that's where you're going to find all of your links and banners, emails they provide for you. All over here on the left-hand side, they have Facebook posts, messages, long emails, short emails. They have webinars that you can send people to, email copy, Facebook post images with buttons, without buttons. One gives affiliate promo flyers, gives more detail about the being an affiliate, selling traffic, and with the reseller's license. The training center is the reseller training. They have everything that you need right here. Introduction to the training, traffic authority company, tell you about the company, tell you about the products they have that you would be selling. There's a fast start training here with social media, emailing, buying traffic, and contacting leaders. They have marketing training, online marketing basics, how to sell retail traffic, simple retail sales strategies, how to place banner ads, how to sell the business opportunity, how to do video marketing, how to use social media, and how to broadcast your email list. Then they have bonus training here as well, productivity secrets, budget building, and tax secrets. And then they have the live training archives. And let's see here, Traffic Academy. This is something that you buy yourself. Allows you to make higher commissions. It's $97 a month. And like I said, it allows you to get higher commissions, become a certified traffic expert, live training from traffic experts, and always know what's working right now. The resellers, this tab here. This is where you get your bonus bucks. This is shows you today, yesterday, last 7 days, and last 30 days, how many hits you get, leads, sales, and earnings. Of course, I have just started, so I have not had any earnings yet. I'm active with the Reseller and Traffic Optimizer. And then you can upgrade to the Traffic Academy to get higher commissions. And these are traffic packages that you can buy, and you get qualified for commissions for when you sell these. Because each package has a different commission level. They also have direct residual income, team residual income, qualifications bank. So where, like, say you purchase the basic traffic package, so you can only get commissions on this level. When somebody buys, or you get points built up in the qualifications bank where you can move up levels. This is explained in the training. Explained very well in the training. Here's the products tab. We've got Traffic Authority, next level products. Social Mastery Blueprint, Scalability Pro, Scale and Grow Your Business, Fastlane Affiliate System, Affiliate Success Secrets from the Master, Income Accelerator, Turbocharge Your Income, and then have a Coming Soon tab. And here, of course, is your profile, support, billing, your e-wallet, and right here you can meet your sponsor, which if you sign up through my link, I would be your sponsor. And I would be here to help you, walk you through getting set up. And if you have any questions, I will get the answers for you. See here, this is the new member experience in the 6 steps to success. You go through all of these steps here. Step 1 is the welcome. 2, how it works. 3, set up your e-wallet. 4, create your game plan. 5, accelerate your success. And 6, launch your business. All of these things you don't have to complete before you can start, like joining the Traffic Academy. That's optional. You don't have to do that. And let's see. yeah, I have not I have not purchased my traffic package yet. So this is I've made a few videos, and this is I think my like third or fourth video on this, and yeah, that's about it. So I do want to say, if you like this video, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and all the bell icon so you get notified next time I put out a video. Thanks, and I hope to see y'all soon.